Hey guys, welcome back to All Star Cards. Today we're going to try something new, and we're going to try a Mail Day video here. We ordered a couple different cards here, and I wanted to open them up, so let's go ahead and get started. A couple of places over these cards, so let's see here what we got. Alright, so this is a clear Leaf Trinity 2016 Dansby Swanson authentic signature card. Everyone to see. Pretty cool card there. So we're going to set that up there. Get into our next one. Scissors here to help get into the packages a little bit. The next card is our Jason Hayward Gypsy Queen patch card, game used memorabilia, number 3 of 25. It's from 2015. Nice card there. And this makes a really good today. Some bubble wrap. This from Toys for Universe off of eBay here. Go. If anybody likes the card, check this guy out. And from him we got a Will Myers Panini Prime Cuts 2016. And it's San Diego, and it's numbered 132 of 149. Nice card right there. Set that over here. Got 2 more packages left here. Alright, let's see what we got. This is our 2017 Topps Archives Steve Avery autograph card. Make the back so everyone can see it. And it's the Topps Archives fan favorite certified autograph issue. We've got one more card here. Last card we got is a Gypsy Queen Chris Archer autograph from 2015 set. Let's see, I don't know if that's an own card or a sticker autograph. Take this plastic off here, we'll find out. It looks to be own card. So yeah, it's a really nice card we got there. Funny looking face he's making in the picture, but nevertheless, very nice card. So let's do a quick recap. We'll start with how we We got the clear Dansby Swanson Leaf Trinity autograph. Alright. We got that one. Yeah, this one is a thick top loader there. We got a Jason Hayward Game Used Memorabilia Gypsy Queen, number 3 of 25. So we got Will Myers, San Diego, from Panini Prime Cuts. It is 132 of 149. Our 2017 Topps fan favorite from the archives. It is Steve Avery autograph. And the last card that we got is a Gypsy Queen from 2015, Chris Archer. And if I'm not mistaken, that is a on-card autograph, not a sticker autograph. So, alright. Well, if you enjoyed this mail day video, leave a comment below and let me know, and hopefully we can continue to keep doing this for you guys. Alright, have a good day, and we'll see you next time.